Hello, Bill. This is Jay Johnson here. I'm the internet manager. I just sent you that email letting you know that I will be shooting this exact one that you actually inquired on. As you can still see, it's here. It's available. Great looking car. The previous owner has kept this car in tip-top shape. You don't find too many Jeeps look like this at this year. As you can look on the inside, interior is impeccable. I'm looking at the seats, especially the back seats look like they've never been set in. Of course, it's a fun vehicle. Of course, the top is removable for a day like today. Again, it's here. Great looking car. Call me 205-380-6250. Again, this is Jay Johnson, Tameron Hyundai. Talk to you soon.